Alright, hello, this is going to be Solidworks CSWA practice problem 4.66, and if you want to follow along, make sure to follow the link in the description. That'll take you to the official Solidworks practice problem database. So first, let's make sure we have correct units, MMGS, and then we're going to start a sketch in the front plane. First of all, let's set our center line to prep the mirror tool that we're going to use a little bit. And let's draw the right side. We'll set the base geometry. About here. Go up. Then we'll have two diagonals. 1, 2 into horizontal. Now let's mirror all that to the other side. And let's start adding dimensions. So the total width of the part is 84. The total height of the part is going to be 71. The angle from the vertical of the first, the angle from the vertical for the first diagonal is going to be 33 degrees. And then the angle of the second diagonal from center line is going to be 51 degrees. And the distance or the length of the vertical line is going to be 35. And the distance between the endpoints of the first diagonal is going to be 18. Now we're going to add our slots, our vertical slots. Let's make sure the center is vertically aligned with the origin. Its width is going to be 8. Distance between its arc center points is going to be 21. Distance between the top arc center point and the bottom edge is going to be 39. Now that should be it for the first sketch. So do feature boss base extrude. We'll do a blind extrude. Reverse direction. Oh, actually, no. We will keep the direction. And we'll blind extrude by 25. Or sorry, I mean 35. 35, yes. Select OK. Then let's create our first sketch for our first cut in the right plane. And we'll start with a corner rectangle. Distance between bottom of corner rectangle to bottom edge is going to be 10. The total length of this rectangle is going to be 37. And as for the width of this rectangle, that is going to be 12. And then we'll add a triangular cut up here. And the angle between the horizontal and the diagonal is going to be 35 degrees. And its base is going to be 15. And we'll proceed to make our cut through all both. Select OK. And then finally we'll make our last sketch for our last cut in the top plane. Just like before, we'll draw our center line, prep the mirror tool, draw a corner rectangle from the left corner. Let's mirror the rectangle. Distance between their inner edges is 25, and the respective widths is 8. And we will say feature extrude cut. Throw both, select OK. And that should be it. That's your final part. We'll check the mass properties, and volume ends up being 104,107 cubic millimeters. Hope you learned something for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.